Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your PayPal account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you no longer want to use PayPal account and you'd like to delete your account, first go tap open your web browser. Once you open your web browser, type in www.paypal.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of PayPal. Click on the login button at the upper right and first log into your account using your credentials for your PayPal. Once you're done typing it in, click login and you'll be logged into your PayPal account. In order to delete your account, click on the gear button at the upper right. Now, as soon as your profile opens, at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see Close Your Account link. Click it on and confirm your account closure by clicking on Close Account. And just with a click, your account is closed for your PayPal. If you'd like to use PayPal again in the future, you'll need to go ahead and sign up for a new account. That is how you can easily delete your PayPal account in just a minute. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.